Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
My viewers and subscribers, big up in a cell, man. I don't know the thing of my people. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I remember people, a couple of weeks ago, I covered the story, you know what I mean, after young miss, who sadly passed away, people, you know what I mean, after she do a lot of video seeking help and assistance, people, she did get some help and thing, you know what I mean, after, this deadly thing I know, people, where them calling him cancer, she did got it, my people, and she did passed away, young girl and thing, you know what I mean, people, and now, people, another young miss has passed away, people, Jaquani Casanova Chung, see, and she was laid to rest, my viewers and subscribers, recently, and it is weird, they are saying, she was remembered as a brave and strong teen, people, because she died, you know what I mean, at a very young age, and people, you know what I mean, and it just really sad, my people, it just really sad. She was only 15, my people, only 15, and all I can say, my people, boy, nobody knows what tomorrow may bring, and you will be here strong, people, and there are just so much things out there, and that's why we just have to give God thanks to people and praises, just give him thanks, because some people just think and they say, no God, no this and that, and they just don't know. Oh, God is here for us every day on a daily basis. So people, I'm in a response to nobody want to say the Almighty is real. You get what I'm saying? The Almighty is real, and if you can't see it or you not believe in it, I'm going to hold your corners over there. But for me, I believe in the Almighty, and I put my trust and my faith in him, my people. And I just want to send out my deepest condolences to Jaquani or Jaquani Casanova Chung, to her mom, to everybody, her family, her friends, schoolmate, and everybody, my deepest condolences to her. Because as I tell people, them say, they remembered her as a brave and strong teen. Rest in peace, Jaquani. You understand? Rest in peace. So now I'm going to read this article, my viewers and subscribers, and big up to the Rooster. You don't know this is 2022nd, people, and him dep on it, my people. New year, new flames. You understand? So reading time, attacking boss. Jaquani remembered as a brave and strong teen. Described as a gentle giant who touched the lives of those who crossed her path, teenager Jaquani Casanova Chung was laid to rest during the service of Thanksgiving held at the Holy Cross Moravian Church in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth on Wednesday. Jaquani came to national attention after she was diagnosed with leukemia in December 2017 while a student of the Santa Cruz Primary and Junior High School. Her cancer was in remission for 2 years after chemotherapy, but in May 2020, the cancer reappeared. She received assistance from several sectors of the society, including her high school, Hampton School. The Jamaican government and various donors, things were looking positive as she received a bone marrow transplant in India. But the 15-year-old died of kidney failure on December 6. Justine Chung, in recalling the time spent with her little sister, said, "My sister was a gentle giant and an angel, and today we laid to rest the strongest person I have ever known. She was a gift to the family," she said. Guidance Counselor Aft Hampton Shelley and Roe Morgan, representing the Monroe-Hampton Alumni Association, Washington, D.C. chapter, said, "Jaquani had a brave and courageous spirit that easily captured the hearts of everyone. Her time with us was short, but her impact will last a lifetime," Roe Morgan said. She called Jaquani a fighter who had a consistent drive to overcome the odds. "She has left an imprint on our lives that we will forever hold close her time," she said. Jaquani's positive influence was so tangible that scores of persons from all over the island converged on the church to pay their respects. While attending primary school, she was forced to sit her grade 6 achievement test from her hospital bed, where she was admitted after she was diagnosed with leukemia. Jaquani had hopes of becoming a hematologist, oncologist, pediatrician, where she could help children overcome blood cancer. Her body was buried in the Mount Herman Church Cemetery in Santa Cruz. Jaja says, Jaja knows my people. And, Jaquani, rest in peace. And to her mom and all her family, friends, dad, everybody, schoolmate, teachers, everybody with them say came across Jamaica to pay their final respect. My deepest condolences, And it's just sad, people, to know that She put up a fight. You know, as I tell her, people come together, people donate. She went to India, she did the bone marrow transplant, people. But sadly, people, you know, our time has come and kidney failure, you know. And based on the fact where maybe there was treatment and everything, you know, tubes and machine, you know, maybe it does damage her kidney, my people. And you just don't know, my people. But she gone. She gone already, my viewers and subscribers. She has gone. And as the teacher said when she spoke, the guidance counselor in the article, people, and she said she left an imprint, you know, on everybody's life, everybody that she touched, everybody that she came across, because she was well loved. And even though she was very young, at the age of 15, you know, she did something where a lot of people can look up to, because she is strong, she was brave, and she never give up. She never let it, you know what I mean, like hold her down, pull her down, people. Like, you know, she was fighting, she was holding on. She just have it in her mindset that she can beat it, that she can overcome it, that she can triumph over it, people. But sadly, it didn't happen, you know. And I just want to say, may her soul rest in peace. And to her families, you know, as again, people, everybody, I know you're going through some tough times, even though she has been laid to rest, but the memory is going to live on for life, you know. Those time with her, those moments, you know, it's going to live on. And I'm going to say this, people, and anytime I cover a story like this, I always say this in my vlogs and say, look here, show your loved ones love today. Kiss them, hug them, hold them. Show the love while they're on earth in the present right now, because you don't know that second, that next minute, that next hour, that next day, that next week, that next month, that next year, what will happen. You just don't know. So while you have them around, you show them love, show them that you care, forgive them for the mistake that they make them know that, look, man, I'm forgive you, you know, a time for move on, you know, we are big people, a time for get over that. Some things we are carry some feelings from so much years from we told it young and look until we turn big, man, and we still have it in our heart. We need to drop them, you know what I mean, because love is so important. Because see the Jaquani, she gone, you understand, she gone. And what they can say, her memories live on. She has impacted in so much people's lives. She has touched so many persons. You understand? That's the message that they can leave behind. But sadly, she has gone. She has been gone, people. She passed away and she has been laid to rest, you know? And it's just life. Love your brother, man. Love your sister while they're on earth. Hug them, hold them, kiss them. You understand? They are your family. You know what I mean? They are your best friend. They are everything to you. You know, forgive, move on. Focus on the new way of going forward. You know, put the past behind. Don't put it in front of you. Because you know, don't put it in front of you, that's where you're going to destroy yourself and destroy the people around you. Just remember the attacking bastard of that. Remember. The people, more love, more respect, and more blessings. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Thanks for the like, the share, the comment. And again, Jaquani, rest in peace. And again, my condolences to all our family and friends and all our loved ones, the people. More love, more blessings, more respect. And again, the people, big up on yourself. Peace out. You don't know the thing of people. Peace, peace, peace. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Enough love.